nigga. Like, I don't love my life. So, there's a lot of people out. And I love that about our area. Our area always got something going on with, like, family-oriented things. And then you always got people like this that's always mad.
Because he's antagonizing and he knows that.
Stop. It's not a kid's YouTube channel, though, Jen.
You're provoking.
No, you're
No,
provoking.
you are. Just leave me alone. Shut up for one. Because where you going? You're going to get into traffic and can't go nowhere. That's why you should have went up there. Look at the idiot now. He can't find parking. Look, you're going to be getting stuck in traffic. Look at Rocket Dad. Big dum-dum. When I told him all the way back there to go over there.
You don't have to walk.
John, we don't have to walk.
I'm not watching it from there. I want to be close up, dog. Let's go, Zay Zay. Let's go, my boy. What's up, Rocket fam? Somebody grab Zay Zay sweater. Yo, I love this. There's a lot going on.
John, grab the umbrella just in case.
Yo, bros, let the Rocket fam know what we doing today.
We're going to watch fireworks. My mom's gonna be here somewhere too. Bow. So Rocket fam, stay tuned.
Zay Zay,
Yeah.
you ready?
Yeah.
So, this is y'all second year, right? This is y'all second year coming to the fireworks show? This is my first.
Yeah, we
Oh.
never came. This is also.
So this is my first year here.
This is all of our.
Look at all of that.
Well,
Spider-Man.
I know because I think I came with my mom last year.
But you watched it outside of the park.
Yeah.
We never came inside.
Yeah, we came last year. But CJ. What? But not inside.
This is dope. Wow, look. Look at all the army people over there. Volunteer check-in. It's a screen. This is dope. There's a beer crew, guys. Beer crew. You gonna find a spot? Right there. So we about to set up right here. And we about to look how many people is out here. All right, people.
What did they just go up?
What?
You guys didn't.
Oh, right there? I see it in the air.
It looks like they took.
Oh, they probably throwing beer cans.
What is that?
What's
up, guys? Y'all listening?
So listen, this event happens every single year, but more importantly, you all come out here every year, loud, strong, and proud to celebrate the armed forces services. Only serve their
Say what's up,
country.
Dad.
Y'all help me recognize this.
What's up,
man.
guys?
Jen, say what's up. What's up, Rocket fam? Jen, say what's up.
Get all those guys. Look at the
Let me
army.
make sure that we
Look at the
shout
army
out
guys.
the folks that have really
I
helped
can't.
make this event what it
He
is.
don't know how to
Our
work it.
title
He don't know how to work
sponsors for Thunder Over Evans, our Windsor Jewelers,
Look at
and
all the
Gerald
army
Jones
people
Olive
over
Group. Give it up for them. Herbert
That's not how
Holmes,
you say what's up. You tell them thank you for serving. Thank you for serving our country.
reliable
Military,
equipment.
military,
It was
army
breakfast
forces.
or no. Boy,
Rock and roll and the national anthem isn't supposed to be together.
Chase,
What's up, guys?
what's your opinion on this rock and roll national anthem thing?
The engineering is kind of bad. The sounding, I think it's the sounding. I don't think it's a good
Zay Zay, what you thinking?
I gotta rank it.
1 out of 10. 1 out of 10.
4.
Huh?
I'm not just kidding.
hot wings and fries.
That might fit in my stomach good.
All right, what you got?
Hot wings and fries.
You ate all those fries before you ate your hot wings. Why do you eat like that?
That's how I eat.
What you got?
Same thing as KFC.
What kind of wings?
Hot wings.
Mom?
Catfish, fried shrimp, and french fries and hush puppies.
And I got fish fries. Yeah. So I got some bang bang fish. All right, be easy, bro. Gosh.
Yes, fries.
We just waiting for the show to start. Fireworks at 8:30, 9 o'clock. It's gonna be lit. Go, Zay Zay. Yeah. Woo. There's like thousands of people out here, guys. And that's not even half of it. Jim busting them things down, bruh. What you eating, hush puppies? Now we know he like hush puppies. Turn.
A few moments later.
Oh, that looked good on camera. That looked great. Did you see that, Zay Zay? Yeah, I felt that.
I thought my face was
Yeah, I thought so.
Y'all want to still be closer?
Let's go. Woo! Zay Zay. Zay Zay.
I want to leave.
Come here, come here. Whoa! Chase, where's your glasses? I'm gonna let him wear it. Zay Zay, I'm gonna let him wear it. Zay Zay, listen to me. If you wear these glasses, no one will see you, okay? And the fireworks will not touch you. Remember the movie Big Daddy?
Wow.
Whoa! Bro, is it lit or what? Jen.
I like the volcano one.
The volcano one? Ari, what?
That one was fine.
I love it all. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I rated it 95,000 out of 10. I rated it so good, it's not even a number.
Get ready, Zay Zay. Cover your ears, okay?
It just said USA.
Get ready, get ready. USA! That's dope. S! Guys, everybody thinks it's over, but what I was told is nowhere near done. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. to be alive. It's you and yours versus me and mine.
Go. You talking about everybody else? Go.